Interpreting a bar graph. In your Aleks screen, mouse over the green slice, Arithmetic Readiness, to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Interpreting a bar graph. Here's an example problem. A shop repairs 5 types of electronic devices. The number of repairs of each device last week is shown in the bar graph below. Use this bar graph to answer the questions. So, which device was repaired the least often? How many repairs were made on that device? How many more repairs were made on televisions than radios? And how many devices had at least 10 repairs? Let's click Explain. So which device was repaired the least often? And how many repairs were made on that device? So the least often is going to be the shortest bar, which is radios, and that was 6 repairs on radios. How many more repairs were made on televisions than radios? That's a subtraction problem. So we're going to take the number of repairs made on televisions minus the number of repairs made on radios. So televisions is up here at 10, and radio is 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. There were 4 more television repairs than radio repairs. And how many devices had at least 10 repairs? So that's going to be 10 or more. And so when we look across at the 10, the ones that are at 10 or taller is television and telephone. So 2 devices had at least 10 repairs. Let's try another one. A local real estate company has 6 real estate agents. The number of houses that each agent sold last year is shown in the bar graph below. Use this bar graph to answer the questions. Which agent sold the most houses? Well, that's easy to see that it's Heather. That bar is the tallest. And how many houses did that agent sell? Heather is over here. Between 10 and 12 would be 11. How many more houses did Kira sell than Amy? That's a subtraction problem. So Kira minus Amy. Kira is at 8 and Amy's at 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. How many agents sold more than 8 houses? And so I'm going to look at the 8, and in this case it said more than 8, not at least 8. And so the ones that are at 8 don't count. It's just the ones that are taller than 8, which is just Heather. And so just 1 agent sold more than 8 houses. And click Next. And it says that I got the correct answers. Let's try one more. A certain store sells t-shirts in 4 colors. The number of t-shirts sold in each color last month is shown in the bar graph below. Use this bar graph to answer the questions. Which color had the fewest t-shirts sold? And so the shortest bar is black. And how many t-shirts of that color were sold? 2. How many more tan t-shirts were sold than black t-shirts? That's another subtraction problem. So tan minus black. Tan's at 3 and black is at 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. For how many colors were there fewer than 3 t-shirts sold? And so not at least 3 or fewer, it's just fewer than 3, so it's going to be everything under the 3, not including 3. And so that's just 1, that's just black. Only one color has fewer than 3. And click next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.